Welcome! Today we will learn how to do the lover's knot. It's also called Solomon's knot. And its symbol as appears on the screen. This is one of the most favorable stitches for a tablecloth or lacy scarves. It's mostly suitable for openwork designs. This is how it looks, and as we can see it can be used in a scarf, tablecloth or a shawl. And it will look nice in all kinds of openwork designs. So let's get started. We'll start with the starting knot. And the first thing we do is chaining 2. This is the first one. And the second. Pay attention to the steps we'll do now cause this stitch is a little different than what we did before. So this is the first chain and this is the second one. Then we'll do a single crochet stitch in the first chain. And this is the first step in lover's knot. I'll demonstrate this step one more time. This is the starting knot. Then I will chain 2. Insert the hook into the first chain and do a single crochet stitch. Use your crochet hook to draw the loop up to a taller height, let's say 2 centimeters. Then yarn over. And make sure to keep a distance between the loop and the solo strand. Then pull through. I drew the strand through the big loop on the hook. Then insert the hook into gap. Insert the hook here and work 1 single crochet. And this is how the Solomon's knot or lover's knot is done. Let's do another one to demonstrate more. Draw the loop up to a taller height, 2 centimeters as we did before. Yarn over and keep a distance between the strand and the loop on the hook. Like so. Then insert the hook in between them and yarn over. Pull through and do a single crochet stitch. Again, pull up the loop to 2 centimeters. Yarn over and keep a distance between them. I just pulled the strand through the loop. Then insert the hook into the gap between them and yarn over. Now I have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through to do a single crochet. Pull through. The gap between the loop and the strand is clear, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through. And do a single crochet. Insert the hook into this gap like so. 2 loop then 1 and make it taller, same as before. Keep the distance between the loop and the strand then go into the gap. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 knots. I'll tell you now why I'm counting them. Insert the hook, yarn over and pull through. Now we have a connected chain of lover's knots or Solomon's knots. We need to make the second row. To make the second row, let's count 1, 2, 3. We'll skip the first 3 knots. And we'll put a stitch marker here. Then on the other side we'll also count 3 knots. And put another stitch marker here. So 3 knots on each side. Fold it over like so. We have 3 knots and another 3 above them. Insert the hook where we put the pin. And do a single crochet stitch. Like so. Here, I have 3 chains. So I'll work another 3 lovers knots above them. Draw the loop up, keeping a gap as before. Then insert the hook into the gap and yarn over and work a single crochet. That's 1. 2. And 3. We did 3 stitches, now go into the stitch where we put the marker. Insert the hook and join it with a single crochet stitch. This was an example of how to use lover's knot in our crochet work. If we need to make a third row and join it as we did here, we'll make the same count of knots we did here, which is obviously 3. Then we do 1 single crochet here and another 3 knots, then another single crochet. And so on until we reach the desired count and height. This was the lover's knot or Solomon's knot. Thank you.